down in Clay County, where authorities say they were looking for a wanted person, and they were able to sniff that person out. They tweeted these words of wisdom explaining how. They say if you've got a felony warrant for your arrest, the cops are looking for you, and you pass gas so loud it gives up your hiding spot, you're definitely having a poop emoji kind of day.
Welcome to a world where gas meets retribution and laughter reigns supreme. Get ready for an explosively hilarious ride as we delve into the art of the fart. Have you ever been the victim of an unlawful arrest and thought to yourself, payback time? Well, today's your day. So today we're going to live vicariously through a few folks who were able to get the last laugh in. We're talking about revenge farting, where the air is thick with mischief and the laughter is infectious. Join us as we watch and enjoy the instant karma that is bestowed onto these oath-breaking cops.
You went to Neptune Pizza, wherever this part
was. He didn't tell me or show me anything about no gun.
It was just sitting there.
He didn't show me or tell me anything about a gun. That's what I'm telling you. No bullshit.
At no point during that trip, you had no knowledge.
I had no knowledge of anything about that gun. Anything.
You own any guns?
No.
Do you know him to own any guns?
I mean, it's up to him, bro.
Listen, bro. No, it's not up to him because you're being charged with it right now. That's why we're bringing you here to talk to you about it.
Oh, I'm being charged with it.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Man, man.
Nah, I don't know why I'm being charged. I told you.
Because the gun is sitting between both of you. That's why you're being charged.
Until you hear a big fart. Okay?
That's your explanation?
Absolutely.
South Bend police officer David Ganoth has been charged with using his two-way radio in a manner unbecoming an officer. Perhaps the most delicate way to phrase it is that Ganoth
police
is
take farting
accused
very
of allowing
seriously,
the sound of
and even
passing
charged
gas
one of their
to be
own.
transmitted over his police radio.
The evidence, I believe, will show that Mr. Ganoth farted into the radio communication devices. It's not an easy word to discuss or talk about. I could say, I guess, pass error, but to be simple, to be more direct, I'll call it by what it is.
The city wants the Board of Safety to dismiss Ganoth from the force. Ganoth has been relieved of duty with pay since January. The corporal admits he made the rude noises, but he says he did so no more than 4 times.
I believe the question posed to you at that time was, would you say that it was less than 10 times, and your answer was yes. That's correct. Now you say it was 4 times.
I said to the best of my knowledge. Since then, I've had time to think about it. I think there will be more than 4.
As strange as the charges may sound, Police Chief Charles Hurley says they are serious, that the misuse of the radio blocks the transmission of police units which want to communicate legitimately and could at some time endanger their safety.
Those distractions, I wouldn't be able to cop watch. That's what they want.
Watch the ball, I'm over the corner. I don't want to do that to the face.
Someone just ripped off. That was nice. Someone just ripped one. I don't know who that was.
I'll just... Sir, that's not going to happen, okay? You're under arrest, so that's why you got handcuffs on, okay? So you're going to stay here.
Oh, okay.
So we're not going to let you go.
Don't fight. Don't fight you. You want some else?
Fight you.
Bloody hell, you fought. What an idiot.
Doel. Alex, então vamos cá, vamos gravar. Doel, vai dar Doel? Você tava agredindo sua filha ou não? Tá com medo da que vem, irmão?